Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply LinkedIn Ads 2.0 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of LinkedIn ads for your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate LinkedIn ads in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1. LinkedIn Ad Basics. In videos 1 through 4, we'll talk about what is LinkedIn all about. What are LinkedIn ads? How can LinkedIn ads help your business? Shocking LinkedIn ad facts to consider. Section 2. LinkedIn Ads Step by Step. In videos 5 through 10, we'll talk about LinkedIn Walkthrough, creating a company page, Campaign Manager Walkthrough, creating a sponsored content ad, creating a text ad, creating an in-mail ad. Section 3. Advanced LinkedIn Ad Strategies. In videos 11 through 16, we'll talk about creating a showcase page to promote content series, collecting leads directly from their LinkedIn inboxes, using LinkedIn features to locate qualified targets, turning your company pages into lead generation pages, creating a marketing plan for LinkedIn, best practices for content campaigns and company updates. Section 4. Additional tips to consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of LinkedIn ads on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training.